a world exists that should not exist. It rains molten glass sideways at supersonic speed. Its sky glows a deep, impossible cobalt blue. The winds scream at 7,000 kilometers per hour. One side burns hotter than lava. The other side never sees the sun. Astronomers found it 63 light years away. They stared at the data in disbelief. Nothing in our solar system prepared us for this. This is the strangest world ever discovered. Its name is HD 89733b, a gas giant orbiting a distant orange star. It was quietly catalogued. Then it became quietly terrifying. Nothing about it is gentle. It is larger than Jupiter, yet it hugs its star impossibly close. Closer than Mercury hugs the sun, a scorching, suicidal embrace, locked in by gravity. A full year there lasts only 2 Earth days. The planet whips around its star in a blur. 2 days, 2 of our days, that is the length of its entire year. It is tidally locked to its star. One face stares forever at the light. The other face drowns in eternal night. No sunrise, no sunset. The day side reaches 1,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt steel into a river. It would vaporize rock. It would erase metal. Nothing solid could survive there. The night side is cooler, but cooler here still means hundreds of degrees. There is no comfortable place on this world, only varieties of fire, only shades of ruin. From far away, the planet looks beautiful, a serene, deep blue marble in space. Like Earth? Almost. The resemblance is a cruel trick of light. But that blue is a lie. It is not water. It is not sky. It is the color of catastrophe, the color of something burning beautifully, the color of glass. The atmosphere is thick with silicate particles. Tiny grains of glass float in the air. They scatter blue light back into space. This is why the planet glows blue. Not from oceans, not from gentle skies, from an atmosphere full of glass. And those grains do not simply float. They condense, grow, and fall through the sky. They become rain, glass rain, falling endlessly through a sky on fire. Imagine droplets of molten silica, forming clouds that shimmer like fractured crystal. Now imagine those clouds breaking, sending sheets of liquid glass through the sky, glowing as they fall. Now add the wind. The wind is the most violent ever measured. 7,000 kilometers per hour, 7 times the speed of sound, across the entire planet. Faster than any storm in our solar system. Faster than any storm we can truly picture. The wind carries the glass sideways, not down but across the sky. A horizontal hurricane of razor shards slicing across a glowing world forever. If you stood there, the rain would not fall on you. It would slice through you. Like a blade, like a million blades, moving faster than sound. But you would never stand there. The heat alone would erase you instantly. The pressure would crush you faster than you could blink. This world does not welcome visitors. It does not even tolerate them, yet we keep looking, we keep listening. How did we discover this nightmare in blue? The answer is one of astronomy's quiet miracles. We never saw the planet directly. It is too close to its blinding star. The star's glare would drown it out, so astronomers measured the starlight itself. They watched the planet pass in front. A tiny dimming gave it away. Then they watched starlight pass through its atmosphere. Different molecules absorb different colors. The atmosphere left its fingerprint in light, a faint chemical signature carried across 63 light years. The Hubble Space Telescope measured the planet's color by comparing light before and during eclipse. The difference revealed a deep cobalt blue, faint but unmistakable, the first true color of an isoworld. It was a small moment that changed everything. Suddenly, alien worlds had personalities. They had skies, they had weather, they had moods written in light. They were not just data points anymore, they were real places, with real atmospheres and real storms. And HD 9733b had a story to tell, a story written in light and ruin. A story still unfolding as we watch, right now, as you listen. Astronomers learned something else too. The planet is slowly losing itself. Its atmosphere is bleeding into space. The star's radiation strips it away. Tons of gas escape every second. A glowing tail trails behind the world. In billions of years, this world may shrink, reduced to a bare, scorched core. A ghost of the giant it once was. A monument to the star that devoured it. But the strangest part is still ahead. Because HD 899723b is not alone. The galaxy is full of worlds like it, each one stranger than the last. Each one a new kind of impossible, each one rewriting what a planet can be. There is a planet darker than coal, darker than fresh asphalt. It reflects almost no light at all. It is called TES-2b, a black world drinking starlight. There is a world where it might rain rubies, where the clouds glow red, where the berry sky is jeweled, where every storm is a treasure, and a death sentence. There is another world where clouds may be made of iron, where metal falls as rain. There is a world where a year lasts only hours, spinning frantically around its dying star. There are worlds orbiting two suns, worlds with no sun at all. Lonely planets wandering the dark, drifting between stars, forgotten by light. There are worlds rumored to be made of diamond, worlds with oceans of magma, worlds where the sky itself is on fire, worlds where snow may fall as carbon dust. But HD 189733b remains the icon, the strange blue world with the violent secret. The planet that taught us alien worlds are strangers in fiction, strangers in dreams. Think about what that means. Somewhere, 63 light years away, glass is falling sideways. Right now, as you read this, as you breathe quietly in your room, the wind is howling across that dayside. The starlight is painting it cobalt. The atmosphere is bleeding into the dark. The world is dying beautifully in real time. It does not care that we exist. It does not know we are watching. It simply burns. It simply rains. It simply glows. And we, on our small blue world, can finally see it. We can measure its color. We can map its winds. We can chart its storms. From across an ocean of stars, we can stand under our calm sky and know that somewhere a sky of glass is screaming. That is the wonder of our age, the universe whispering its strangest secrets, and we, at last, listening. If you could visit one of these worlds with your own eyes, which would you choose? Tell me below. I think about that question often, standing on a balcony in the dark, looking up at distant stars, wondering which pinpoint hides which impossible world, which one is waiting. For most of human history, the stars were just points of light, mysterious, unreachable, silent. Now each point hides a world, some gentle, some unimaginable. Some we may never fully understand, some we may not even survive seeing, even from afar. HD 189733b is only the beginning. Thousands of strange worlds have been found. Thousands more wait in the data, quietly, in light no one has read yet. Every few months, another one is announced, each headline stranger than the last. Each discovery shaking our old assumptions, each one a small earthquake in the textbooks. Some may have oceans of magma. Some may have hydrogen seas. Some may even, quietly, have life. Microbial, strange, patient, hidden in places we cannot yet see. We do not know yet. The data is too thin. The distances are too great. But every measurement brings us closer. Every spectrum is a whisper from another sky. Every transit is a door cracked open, a glimpse into another world's morning. The James Webb Telescope listens now. Larger, sharper, hungrier than Hubble. Weeding atmospheres we could only dream of. Tracing molecules across the dark with patient precision. It is studying worlds like HD 899733b, searching for water, methane, carbon dioxide. The chemical hints of something familiar or something completely unknown. Something life on Earth never invented. Something only the universe could imagine. So far, none match this one for sheer beautiful violence. a blue marble of molten glass, hiding in plain sight near a quiet star, burning so we may finally understand the sky. It reminds us how narrow our imagination once was, how much stranger the universe truly is, how much we still have to learn, how much we have only just begun to ask. For centuries, we pictured other worlds as cousins of Earth, gentle, green, vaguely familiar. We were wrong. The universe does not echo us. It does not follow our scripts. It builds in ways we cannot guess. It paints with colors we did not know existed. A sky of sideways glass, a black planet swallowing light, a world raining iron under two suns. These are not science fiction. These are real places, mapped in real data, burning in real time. Right now, as our planet quietly turns, the next time you look up, remember this. Behind one of those small lights, glass is raining sideways. Beauty and horror, woven into one world. Light bent into impossible shapes. Wonder, dressed in fire. Remember that the night sky is not silent. It is a library of strange worlds, each waiting for us to learn how to read it, each chapter written in starlight. We are a young species on a calm planet, beneath a sky that lets us breathe, around a star that does not try to kill us, held in an orbit that does not melt us. That is not ordinary. Out there, it may be rare. It may be precious beyond measure, a fragile balance, in a universe that rarely allows one. Our soft rains, our blue oceans, our gentle breathable air. Compared to HD 189733b, our world is almost a miracle, a still quiet pocket in a universe full of fire, a small kindness written in chemistry, easy to forget. And yet, we are made of the same stuff, the same atoms forged in dying stars, the same chemistry arranged into kinder forms, the same matter given a softer fate. In some strange way, that violent blue world is our cousin, born of the same galaxy, just dealt a different hand, a different distance, a different dance with a different star. Maybe that is what these discoveries truly give us. Not just wonder, not just fear, but perspective, a sense of where we sit, a reminder that home is not guarantee. If this journey moved you, leave a thought in the comments below. Tell me what you felt. Subscribe and ring the bell for more journeys into the cosmos. There are stranger worlds still ahead. Somewhere tonight, on a planet 63 light-years away, a blue sky is howling, glass is falling sideways through a furnace. A world burns in silence, alone, beautiful, real, and we finally know. And for the first time in human history, we know it is there. We know its color. The universe was never quiet. We were just not listening yet.